Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Smartsheet. All right, so first off, log into your Smartsheet account. And then once done, go to the left panel and click on Create right here with a plus sign. Click on it. And at the bottom, you have the Form section. Okay, just click on Form. Wait for it to load. There you go. And then once it loads, you just hit on Got It right here. And here we have the Forms editing section. Now, if you have a paid account, you will be able to change your form branding, share your form, receive form submissions, and include a submission response email on any of your forms. Okay. Now, first up, go ahead over to settings right here. You'll have your theme and brand. Okay. It could be side by side or just vertical or plain. I prefer vertical right here. Security, you can go ahead and enable these features. First one requires Smartsheet login to access a form and reduce spam with a CAPTCHA. Okay. Now what should happen after the form is submitted? You can go ahead and click on this drop down and you have these selections, maybe display a confirmation message or reload the same form for another entry or send the user to link. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it by default, which is display this confirmation message, success, or you can go ahead and change this one if you want to. New submissions should appear on the bottom of the sheet or top of the sheet. You could also allow to send email of submissions, like allow submitter to email a copy of form submission. Okay, then there will be a email message right here. You can go ahead and change it up as well. Now don't forget to hit on save. Now in here, going back on the editing section, you can go ahead and click on new field, maybe select check boxes, or it could be a form of date right here. Click on it, enter the name of the field right here, maybe birth date or birthday. Hit on OK. There you have it. Now you can go ahead and click on the field itself, and to edit it, the editing panel for the fields is here in the right panel. You can make it required, and the default value right here is year, month, and day. You can add in some logics if you want to. If not, just leave it. Okay. Don't forget to hit on save every time you make changes. Now, if you want to delete some forms, just click on it and hit on the delete button right here. And again, if you have the paid version of Smartsheet, you can go ahead and change this brand logo right here or delete it entirely. And if you want to change the background color, just click on this format background. And again, you should have the upgraded version. Now, the sheet title right here, just click on it, rename it if you want to, just a sample. All right, add in a description if you want to as well for YouTube. Columns, again, just click on a field and in the right panel, you'll be able to edit it. All right, change it, maybe address. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and add in some more fields if you want to. You can add in some drop-down list. Maybe country, okay, drag and drop, click on it. You can make it required or hidden. It's up to you. Now click on edit right here, allow multiple values per cell and to restrict to list values only. Now it says here, type each value on a separate line. Okay, maybe add in PH, US, UK, RU, AU, hit on OK. There you go. You're going to go ahead and click on Open Form, save and open, just for us to preview. Okay, there you go. Country, click on drop down. Here we have the list, PH, birth date, random, address, name. All right, submit. There you go. And that is it. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on Share Form. It could be directly via email. Add your subject, add your message, enable CC. If not, you can go ahead and go to link or embed it. Okay? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.